हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम 8th क्लास का 4th चैप्टर करने जा रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल साइंस का। इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। पहले हम फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स देख लेते हैं। हिंदू सक्सेशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट वाज पास्ड इन 2005। डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस एक्ट वाज पास्ड इन 2005। डैश enjoy equal rights in India? Women. Dash is a law making body in India? Parliament. Very short question answer. Who is the law making body in India? Parliament is the law making body in India. Most important question है. Whether laws enacted by parliaments are applicable on all? Laws enacted by parliaments apply to everyone. Who introduced rules of law in India? Indian Constitution introduced rule of law in India. What do you mean by rule of law? Rule of law means law is supreme and not the arbitrary will of any individual. Write one exceptions to rule of law. Foreign rulers and ambassadors are not subject to the jurisdiction of the law of India. During British rule, who protested and criticized against the arbitrary use of authority? Indian nationalists criticized and protested the arbitrary use of authority by the British official. When the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act came into effect, this act came into effect in 2005. What do you understand by Civil Rights Act 1964, USA? This act prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion or national origin in USA. What is meant by unlike law? Give an example of a disputed law. Unlike law means which is not popular among peoples. Sometimes Parliament passes any law, however, that particular law is according to constitutions and proper procedures was followed, but people feel that their wishes and requirements are not considered, then they express their unwillingness against law. For example, women's organizations and groups oppose the Domestic Violence Bill 2002 because this bill has not those clause in the bill which women's organizations were suggesting. Move to the next question. What was the Domestic Women Violence Protections Law and when it was implemented? Domestic Women Violence Protection Law was passed by Parliament in 2005 for the protection of women. Domestic violence is a serious problem and affects the rights and dignity of women. Women are generally beaten up by their husbands, by their fathers, even by their brothers and sons. Women are illiterated by their sons and daughters-in-law. Many social organizations and women organizations demanding the protections of women against domestic violence. Then Parliament passed the Domestic Women Violence Protections Law and it was implemented in 2005. State two reasons by historian refute the claim that the British introduced the rule of law in India. Rule of law is the distinctive features of the Indian constitutions. Generally, it is believed that it was the British government introduced the rule of law in India, but it is not true. Historians have rejected this claim on several grounds. Firstly, British colonial rules was arbitrary. British officials exercised their powers arbitrarily and they were not held responsible under the law. Sedition Act of 1870 was a part of British law. Second, Indian nationalists played a very important role in the development of rule of law during the British governments. Indian nationalists strongly criticized the arbitrary use of authority by the British officials. Moreover, they demanded equality with the Britishers. By the end of the 19th century, many Indians entered legal professions and they demanded respect for rules of law and justice. What do you understand by equality before law? Equality before law means that everyone is equal before law and no person is exempted from the jurisdiction of law. It means equal subjections of all classes to ordinary law of the land as enforced by the ordinary courts of law. Rich and poor, educated and illiterate, powerful and weak, all are equal before law. In India, the law cannot discriminate between persons on the basis of their caste, religion, gender, class, ideology, etc. What do you mean by the rules of law? How the rules of law is being used by the peoples of different communities? Meaning of rule of law. Rule of law means that laws is supreme, not the arbitrary will of any individual. Nobody is above the law. So long an individual obey law and does not violate any law, he cannot be punished. Rule of law also means that everybody is equal before law. All individuals are equal in the eyes of law. No person is exempted from the jurisdiction of law. Rich and poor, educated and illiterate, powerful and weak, all are equal before law. Any person who violates the law is punished according to law. used of rule of law by the people of different communities. And in ancient times, rules of law was used by the peoples of different communities according to their caste and convenience. But in modern days, every community of the society is treated equal in the eyes of law. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.